about your experience and project.
So my live project was Mr. Corner, and it was about a product which was supposed to be soft launched in San Francisco. It was more of a research-based project, and we have to study the demography and the people behavior in San Francisco while living in India. Without being able to contact with such people. So it was a challenging project, and with pandemic and everything going haywire, it was a bit difficult, but we did found a solution. We took the whole advantage of internet. There were other students in our team as well from different universities, so that also gave us a perspective on a same project by different students pursuing the same course. And they might be taught, or they might have a certain way of doing things, and we also had a certain way of doing it. So that created a give and take relationship between students as well as the faculties. Even Nana ma'am and Aishwarya sir was one of our mentors, and they helped a lot in understanding how to go about it. Even Mr. Corner was there for our counseling, and he also I understand it's a different completely different target audience, but you get a lot of things. We went to a lot of American websites to understand the demography, how they are working. I tried calling up few relatives also who are living in East Coast, just to get a, even if they are Indians, but they have adjusted to the living standards of US. So they also, when they got to know that I'm working on a project which is related to their area, so they were very enthusiastic about, helping it out. So it was a very good introduction to how collaboration works, and how people from different university, teachers from different background come together to work for a common goal. And it also taught us that if your collaboration and understanding goes hand in hand, no matter how difficult the target audience, or how, no matter at what part of the world you are living, uh, through UX, it has become a very a global thing, and you can aspire to work no matter where you live for any kind of audience. So it was a very good experience.